Hey, where you at? You in your studio doing makeup? Doing makeup? Doing makeup?
Hey ladies, it's your girl Beam and welcome back to my channel. We made it through 2021. Happy New Year. It's 2022. Yes, ladies, I'm so excited. I haven't seen you in a while. So today, this video, I really want to focus on natural makeup. So we are in the winter time and we've been popping out. It is not the time for me, unfortunately, for neons and everything. No, we're gonna focus on natural makeup. As you can already see, I already have my brows done and my foundation. Now what I'm gonna do is color correct everywhere where I have a dark spot. You guys have not seen me do this before, or a shadow, and that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the LA Girl Pro Concealer Color Corrector, and I'm gonna go everywhere where I have darkness on my eye. So what I'm gonna do is lightly press the corrector into the skin. The key with the color correcting concealer is that you want to press it into the face. It's supposed to lift the dark circle and dark spot colors. Therefore, it has to stay in place. So we don't want to wipe, rub, and tug. We need it to stay in place and pat there. So it gives us more coverage. So now that everything is all blended down, I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer. And this is some drugstore concealer. You guys know when it comes to me, I'm doing drugstore, something that I can just find. I think it's like L'Oreal, the matte concealer or something. And everywhere where I put the corrector is exactly where I'm gonna put my concealer and probably add a place or two. Let that dry down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and fan that. Now, if you look where I put my concealer, it's everywhere where there's a shadow on my face. I'm gonna blend all the concealers in the face, so stay tuned. Don't come to me if your concealer don't look seamless like this, okay? Because what we do is we took our brush and we made sure that we tapped, blend, swirled that concealer into the face till it was seamless, baby. This is good. This is nice. This is almost where I need to be, but we're not quite there yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a lighter concealer because I feel like I'm not there yet. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight right there. Alrighty. And then you ladies know how much I love to contour. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of contour, honey. And what I like to do just to contour is lightly, and I mean very lightly, take a nice cream contour. And since this is a natural look, I normally go ahead and swipe that thing on my face, but not tonight. I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly contour that area like so. So basically I'm tapping my brush on the contour stick and letting it get some of that cream on there, because this is a natural look. I don't want to do anything too heavy. I'm like doing an M on my face so that we can just get some of the contour on there. And I'm swiping because I really don't want anything harsh. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna blend out that highlight that we have right there underneath the eye. And when you're doing this, just look all the way up. Like so. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is set everything that I did. Now, I know a lot of people like to use different baking powders and stuff like that. I'm just gonna use this nice little yellow powder. Yes. And we're gonna go ahead and set, but before I do that, I just want to lightly dust my pressed powder over the face because I feel like it works better for me when I do it the opposite way. So we're going to take a little bit of pressed powder and I'm just going to lightly buff it on my face. Yes. Yes, you can already see she's set, honey. We're matting her down. Ooh, it's coming. It's coming together. So anywhere where you see it shiny, where you know you get oily, just go ahead and set. So I like my eyes really highlighted. So I'm going to take a little powder puff. And I'm going to make sure I go ahead and pack the baking powder underneath my eyes. The banana powder. Really want to make sure that the under eye is covered. I like my under eye highlighted. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure I press it. Just like so. Yes, yes, yes. And I'm only going to do the nose. Okay, we're not doing again with my powder brush with the baking powder this time, and I'm just gonna lightly set the pressed powder that I already put on. So we don't want to really do too much, just lightly set. Like so. Alrighty, so everything else is set. My head. JT has been rocking this glam, and this glam has been neutral and so pretty, and it's been like a brownish glam, and I just been loving that smoky brown she has. So I'm gonna take that brown that JT's been like rocking, and I'm gonna put that JT brown on my lid. Yes. Like so. So we're taking a flat brush, a matte eyeshadow, and today I'm actually using the Morphe palette, and the Morphe palette I'm using is the 350 palette, and we're gonna take that JT looking color right there. And we're gonna just tap that all over the lid, packing that brown on. Just wanna pack it on. Like so, yeah. Now I'm going to take a brush that has nothing on it, and I want to really blend out that brown that I put on the eye before I put anything else. Yes. Blend out that harsh line of that brown. Little tannish color that looks like she had a transition. And I'm going to go ahead back and forth right there. Little transition to the matte brown that we had. And then put it right there also. Yes, this is giving me JT vibes. That it was a little darker closer up. So I did that brown how she had it. And then I'm just gonna take a darker brown and just do a sweep over my lid. Yeah, like that. I feel like she had like it going from a darker to a little lighter brown. Yeah, that's giving me the JT vibe right there. So the darkest brown, I'm basically swiping on my lid, so then it looks like a transition to the lighter brown. I feel like that's how she had it. Now I'm gonna add a little liner because that's me, and I like a liquid liner and a wing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a wing. Now this is very natural to me, but I have chinky eyes, so I don't like to do something like without a wing, because the wing accentuates my eye. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my line on the bottom. When you put black eyeliner on the bottom, it changes the whole game. I'm gonna go ahead and tap that color that we put on the lid to give it that JT vibe right on the eyeliner. So that dark that I put on the very tippy top, put it right there. Yes, yes, I feel like JT be looking smoked like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on the bottom right here. Yes. Alrighty, and what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on my favorite lashes, Beam Beauty. I only wear Beam Beauty lashes, period. And we're gonna go ahead and put on, yes, gorgeous. These are so pretty. And this is the style Barbie. Alrighty, so I already have the glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lash line with the glue and put these bad boys on with my lash tool. It's hard for me to press it with the tool, so what I usually do is just grab it with my finger and push down into the eye. Okay, like so. Alrighty, so like so. I'm gonna just press it into the eyes. So after you do the applicator, you just lightly grab the lash in the front band and the side band, the end. You just press it into your eye, and there you have it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust away all the eyeshadow, like that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take a teeny bit. Teeny bit of powder, and I'm gonna lightly press that under the eye. Teeny bit. So we're gonna go ahead and bronze up. Yes. But right now I'm just adding my pressed powder back. So since this is a natural look, we just want to be really careful, you know, not to do anything harsh. You know, just pick up the brush, do it one time. You know, that's the vibe we're giving. Not too much. You see, I'm doing the effect like a bronzer today because it's really a natural look. So nothing heavy, nothing too crazy. And then we're just gonna do the forehead. I know I love to do my nose. Okay. Yes, honey, get this nose. Give me a little blush. I need that in my life. Do a little highlight. Nothing too crazy, nothing too much. I do like to highlight the bridge of my nose. Oh, that's pretty. Not too much. She gotta get sprayed, baby. We want it to be set for the day. Yes. You're winning if your makeup stays on all night. And that's all, period. Alrighty, and what am I feeling like doing for my lips today? I want to stand out. Keisha Kaur lipstick gonna come in handy tonight. Her lipsticks be pigmented. Yeah, Keisha Kaur. The other one was way too light for the bar, way too dark for the barbs. Yeah, and we gotta put a little beige on top, a little nude. While this is drying down, I want to show y'all my favorite Beam Beauty gloss, and it got a little pop of color to it. I love this gloss. It's like beautiful. It's my favorite. Ooh, yes. I love Playboy. Playboy from Beam Beauty is like the shit's naive. It got like color in it, so it just like enhances the color you already have, but it's a tint of pink color, so it's just gonna make everything pop. Playboy is the shit's naive from Beam Beauty. Period. Ladies, thank you so much for tuning in. This is the look.